Tired of being tethered to your desk? Let's transform your Ubuntu machine into a remote access powerhouse. First, we need to update our package list. Then, we'll install TigerVNC, a popular and robust VNC server. To do this, we simply use the terminal, which is your gateway to the heart of your Ubuntu system. Locate the terminal application via the Applications menu or by searching for terminal. After opening the terminal, type in the commands as they appear. Wait for the installation to finish. Once TigerVNC is installed, we need to set a password so only authorized users can connect. We will need to type in a command to set up the password. You'll be prompted to enter a secure password twice and given some helpful tips by the system. Remember this password, as you'll need it to connect remotely. Now comes the fun part, starting the VNC server. To do this, we need to initiate a new command in the terminal. After the command, your VNC server will start, and you will see confirmation of the display number it's using. Typically, it's 1, meaning display number 1. Next, we need a VNC client on the device from which you want to access your Ubuntu desktop. This can be a laptop, another computer, a phone, or a tablet. You'll need to search online or in your device's app store for a VNC Viewer application. Download and launch the viewer. In the VNC Viewer, enter the IP address of your Ubuntu machine, followed by a colon, and then the display number we got from the server startup, usually 1, for example 19,216,811,001. Then tap or click Connect. You'll be prompted for the password you set up earlier. Enter it, and boom, you should see your Ubuntu desktop remotely. You can now control your computer from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. Remember to secure your connection with a strong password, and you're good to go.